This is the intro to Long Hair Pretty Nail Show, yeah.
Give it up for the notification squad. These were the first 3 comments in my last video. If you want a chance to be featured, make sure you hit that notification bell and come show your girl some love when I drop a new video. And this comment did not make it to the top list, but it is funny and creative, so you get a shout out. Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to be testing out the Azure Dip Powder Starter Kit, and this is available on Amazon Prime. So it says that it is non-yellowing, no nail lamp needed, and it is odorless. So let's open it up and see what's inside. This box is huge. So the first thing I see is this beautiful pamphlet. Like, I love pink. On the back, it gives you step-by-step instructions on how to do the dip powder nails. I also love that this paper is laminated, so it's not going to mess up and you can always refer back to it. So this is everything that comes in the kit. You get 4 dip powders, and my gosh, I was so relieved to see that these are 1 ounce powders. No other dip powder kit that I've seen come with like full-size jars, so you can actually dip your nails in these. It comes with the bond, the base, the activator, the top coat, and the brush saver. You also get a nail file and a buffer. I believe the nail file is a 100/180 grit. You get a manicure stick, cuticle oil, and also a dusting brush that I didn't show, but you'll see that later on. So I'm gonna use that manicure stick to push back my cuticles and use the 180 side of the nail file to lightly file the surface of my nail to get rid of any shine. And then I'm gonna wipe my nails with alcohol to get rid of the dust and any excess oils. Next, I'm gonna glue on my nail tips, and I'll have links to everything that I use down below. Next, I'm gonna file the surface of the nail tips to get rid of the shine, and then brush off the dust. This is the brush that I was talking about. I really like it. So next I'm gonna open up these powders. So this one is the clear. This color is called Hey Glitters, and You're So Sweet. All right, so the first step is the bond, and I'm just gonna apply that to all of my nails, mainly concentrating on my natural nail. Next, I'm going in with the base, and I'm gonna start with half of the nail first and dip that into the clear. My first time being able to actually dip my nails. And I actually could have went longer, but I didn't know how far I'll be able to dip, so next time I'm definitely going to make some longer dip powder nails. But anyway, I do this halfway because I want to create a nice curve. I don't want my nails to be flat, so this is going to create a nice shape and apex for the nail. So brushing off the excess powder back into the jar. I'm gonna go back in with the base and apply it to the entire nail. I am so happy that I was able to dip my whole nail. Like, oh my goodness. It's like the small things in life. So I just repeat this for all of the nails. And when you're applying the base, you just want to be as neat as possible and do not flood the cuticles. Wherever you put the base is where the powder is going to stick to. So after allowing that to dry, I'm just gonna go ahead and brush the excess off. I also noticed that since the bottles are bigger, I didn't have that much mess of powder all over the place. I was just able to brush the excess dust and it falls right back into the jar. So this is what the clear base is looking like so far. The nails are beginning to take shape. So next I'm gonna go in with the pink powder and do the same thing. For my pinky nail, it is still kind of flat, so I'm just doing halfway on this one, just to try to build up that curve a little bit. But for the rest of my nails, I'm just going to apply the powder to the whole nail. And for my index fingernail, I'm gonna go into that red. And that is so gorgeous. And it does dry pretty quick. I wanna say probably about a minute or so. Then I'm just gonna go in with my second coat. I love that the base has a thicker consistency, so it's not gonna flood your cuticle. It's gonna stay, or stay wherever you place it. I wanted to try out the glitter. I thought that it would look so cute on top of the pink. And I just love how that came out. Oh, that is so beautiful. And I decided to do the same thing for my thumb, applying the pink powder and then the glitter on top. Alright, so now for my final layer, I'm just gonna go in with the clear, just because I want to be able to file these nails without filing off any of the color or the glitter. But so far so good. I do love the smooth application of everything. This is kind of a step up from the Kiss dip powders that I was using, so the quality is there. Alright, so after that, I'm going to go in with the activator, and this is what hardens the powder, so you want to make sure you're applying a generous amount so the entire nail is saturated. And you want to allow this about 2 to 3 minutes to fully dry. So once it is dry, your nails will be hard as rocks. So now you can go ahead and do your shaping and filing. So once I have the filing down, I'm just going to brush away the dust so I can see what I'm doing. And I love this brush, y'all. And I'm just gonna go in with the buffer to just smooth everything out. So after the nails are filed, you want to go ahead and add more activator. And this just ensures that you are getting all of the acrylic that was exposed that may have not gotten the activator on it. After that, I'm going in with the top coat. And the top coat smells like it is some type of like glue coating, so I'm gonna use that to adhere some iridescent crystals, and it worked just perfectly. So I did notice that my top coat brush was starting to harden, and I think it's because I didn't wipe off all of the activator, so it probably, got some on there. So what I did is just pop it into the brush saver and use the brush saver brush to continue putting on the top coat. So you want to let this dry for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then I'm going in with the cuticle oil. I think it's so cool that this set actually comes with cuticle oil because that is a very important step when you're finishing your nails. So if you are interested in this dip kit, there is a second version of it. It comes with different colors, and I'm really excited to try out this pink shimmery one. This looks so cute. So I will have a link to this kit down below as well. All right, so this is my finished look, and I really do like how these turned out. Some simple dip powder nails, and I like the colors of the powder. Just everything was really easy to use. I think this kit is perfect for someone just starting out. It's really easy to follow, and you will get some beautiful nails. And I want to give a big thank you to Azure for sponsoring this video.
This is the outro to the long hair pretty nail show. Yeah.